berpuasa best kat mana?
Kat Royal Plaza.
So this spread all is part of the Ramadan.
Ramadan.
Sian kambing golek ni. Tak ada orang layan. Paksalah aku layan. Oh, Amel, your favourite prawn taste sate apa di?
Ayam kambing.
Ayam kambing. Babak dia?
Bapa dia belum order lagi.
Dia belum ada.
My award-winning station is a live station of all the Malay cuisine. It's called Nasi Ambeng. Dan sebelah sini kita ada pasar. Any more questions?
Bila boleh makan? Besar apa udang bos? Kalau
Okay, selamat berbuka puasa.
Thank you. Thank you. Yes, please. Tahu lah, Arif. Thank you. Very nice. The black pepper sauce nice, Arif. Chili crab, but they use flower crab. Rasa. Okay, tandoori chicken there. Any more? Chutney. Okay, good job. Orang nak ambil gambar, aku nak ambil makan. Bing kulit inside man. For dinner buffet. Alright. Thank you, very nice. Okay, insyaAllah jumpa lagi. Assalamualaikum. InsyaAllah. Thank you very nice.